Ancient Celtic paganism refers to the religious and spiritual practices of the Celtic peoples who lived in various parts of Europe from around the 8th century BCE until the Roman conquest and subsequent Christianization of Celtic regions. It's important to note that our knowledge of ancient Celtic paganism is limited because the Celts did not have a written tradition, and most of what we know comes from the writings of classical authors like Julius Caesar and later Christian sources. Key aspects of ancient Celtic paganism include 1. Polytheism. Ancient Celtic paganism was polytheistic, meaning it involved the worship of multiple deities. These deities often represented natural forces and aspects of life, and some of them had regional variations in their names and attributes. 2. Nature worship. The Celts had a strong connection to nature, and many of their deities were associated with natural elements like forests, rivers, and mountains. Sacred groves and other natural sites were used for rituals and worship. 3. Druids. The Druids were the religious and intellectual leaders of Celtic society. They played a crucial role in performing religious ceremonies, preserving cultural knowledge, and providing spiritual guidance. Druids had a deep understanding of the natural world and the spiritual realm. 4. Sacred sites. Celtic pagans often considered certain locations to be sacred, including springs, wells, and stone circles. These places were believed to be portals to the spirit world and were used for various rituals and offerings. 5. Festivals. Celtic pagans celebrated seasonal festivals that marked important points in the agricultural and natural calendar. 6. Ancestor veneration. Ancestor worship and the belief in an afterlife were important aspects of Celtic spirituality. Ancestors were thought to continue to play a role in the lives of their descendants. 7. Mythology. Celtic mythology includes a rich collection of stories and legends about the gods, heroes, and other supernatural beings. These myths often contained moral lessons and explained natural phenomena. 8. Art and symbolism. Celtic art, characterized by intricate knotwork and other geometric patterns, often had religious significance. Symbols like the triquetra and the Celtic cross were used in both religious and cultural contexts. It's worth noting that the Celtic world was not homogeneous, and there were variations in beliefs and practices among different Celtic tribes and regions. Additionally, the spread of Roman influence and later Christianization led to the decline of Celtic paganism, and much of it was eventually lost or syncretized with Christianity. Modern Celtic paganism, as mentioned in the previous response, is a revivalist movement that attempts to reconstruct and practice the religious beliefs and rituals of ancient Celtic paganism based on the available historical and archaeological evidence. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video with a new topic.